How long does it take local SEO to work? How long is it going to take for me to get results? I just signed up for Simply Be Found is a question I just got asked. And how long is it going to be on the voice search network? So I keep getting all these phone calls. They make it sound like it's really super simple just to register my business for voice search. Or they called me and said, "Hey, you're not on Google Voice Search." All the different tactics they're using. Well, I want to introduce you to the world of local SEO, where we power your business to be found by using organic results. What does this mean? This means that you are going to be found by using three pillars. Those three pillars are super simple. For one, you have content. For two, you have authority. And the third one is trust. So you have to build your content up. And how you do that is by doing posts, questions and answers, photos. Your reviews has content. Anything that has content on it. So it starts building that pillar up. And that gives authority because it gives the authority piece to your content. And that authority piece makes it simple for your business to be able to build that authority because now it knows you know what you're talking about. You're posting regularly, your habits are there. The platform of Simply Be Found helps you be able to do that. Now, by getting more reviews, it builds your trust by being constantly out there and being pretty close to the same thing of what you're saying all the time. And the algorithm getting to know you is going to be how that platform is going to recognize. So I don't know. A lot of this information gets sent over to Google as the main platform. Some of the other networks, we build it and we put it in. Our algorithm does all of that stuff. So you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is know you log into the platform, you provide the information, you send out the posts to either Google Business Profile or to Facebook, and you start to build those pillars up. And you start to make all those pillars full, it starts to get you results. Now, I have testimonials of people that have gotten results in 2 days. I have people say that it takes them 2 weeks. If you don't have a Google Business Profile account, you don't have very much, and you're waiting for approvals and unsuspensions, and because you got suspended by your Google Business Profile or any of those things, they could add on to how long it's going to take. But once you build it and once you maintain it, you're going to get an even level number of business coming in the door by you just being visible inside your profile. I had a member the other day mention that he's only getting about 2 leads per week. He's in the LA area. It was a couple days ago, actually. And a big piece for him is I asked well, how many of those are you closing? He goes like 1, 2 on average. I'm like, all right, so it's good quality leads. So, I mean, you can be a marketing company. I can take a bunch of leads. I could say, hey, these are all the people out there that are searching for this product. I have algorithms that I built for my marketing agency. We use them. I don't even use them anymore because most of the leads are just shit. Literally, just shit. I don't know how else to word that, but they suck. And I can see people that are making those searches and habits and behaviors, and I can do all of that stuff because that's what I used to do. I know those behaviors, but those lists you're going to be fighting. Now you're going to spend all of your time chasing those. And you get all these people, well, I've never heard of you. I've never done that. How many of you have had that experience? With organic local SEO, you are going to start to rank for people that are making that search inside of the search engine. No matter if we're talking voice search, we're talking about someone on their map, somebody on their computer, somebody on their mobile phone. It doesn't matter where they are. You're going to be able to trigger it, and you have a higher chance. It doesn't mean you're always going to pop up. It's not a magic bullet. You're not going to always just be number one. You have to make sure you're doing the things that will give you the highest amount of results. If you're on the premium plan, you can ask us to look and see what your competitors are doing. You can ask us for a report of, hey, have the system look and see what it thinks my questions and answers should be. Have your algorithm look and see what the posts there should be. Our system can do all of that for you. So one of the big things I want to say is local SEO is a great way to be able to bring organic results to your business that are consistent and that you're not chasing and that actually have a higher chance of being of higher quality. That's what I love about them. So make sure you check us out, Simply Be Found. If you like videos like this, you like learning these different pieces, and like seeing me get up and do all these different things, then definitely make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot. It makes me feel good. It took a lot of time for me to feel comfortable to get on YouTube. I was always worried about how I talked. I was worried about how I looked. I was worried about how my hair was. I was worried about all these different things. I got over it and I just put myself out there. So, I mean, if you're looking at being able to do stuff on YouTube, just get over it and just get it out there and just do it. But that's my advice for you. I don't know why I went down that tangent, but I did. And that's what's great about this is because we're real here at Simply Be Found. We're not scripted. I never do it from a script. It's all from my head. And the whole entire algorithm, everything is based on what my years of experience and what we did as an agency. So it's not a quick fix for Simply Be Found. It's not something that's a magic bullet. People do get results within their first week, but it takes almost a month to be able to get in the first results. And then it just kind of builds up from there. And then if you have fall downs, contact support, let us know. We'll take a look at it and make suggestions. And we're constantly tweaking and adding stuff to our platform because we build our platform based on that member feedback and what we're hearing for what the needs are from you as a business owner. So check us out, simplybefound.com, and I'll stop my rambling.